OpenAI just axed Sora. Let's talk.
I built bots before they were cool.
Sora?
Yeah.
Take care out there, all right?
Don't forget us.
See you, Sora! Goodbye.
So why did they pull the plug on Sora? I mean, it's not like it didn't work. I was really optimistic that I could find some use for those short little 5 and 10 minute videos. I thought maybe you could make some cute, unobtrusive advertisements.
Click like and subscribe!
Maybe they could be used to do transitions between video segments. I was really surprised that I wasn't able to do any kind of data visualization with it. What problem did Sora solve? Outside of meme creation, Sora had a problem finding a niche. And unfortunately, meme creation is not very profitable. So every time we went off and created a little video on Sora, it actually cost OpenAI somewhere between $3 and $5 to produce. And since most people get into this iterative loop of making refinements, the actual cost was probably closer to $30 per video. Sora's expenses were roughly $5.5 billion a year just to produce 5 and 10 second videos. Additionally, Sora was using resources that OpenAI could better use elsewhere. Also, additionally, Sora was facing a lot of potential copyright infringement litigation. And since Sam Altman wants to take the company public, he probably doesn't want that in the background. The other thing you don't want when you're doing an IPO is to have people using your product in illicit ways. This is a problem that Elon Musk is going to have with SpaceX when they go public with the issues that are surrounding Grok right now. So that might have been another reason why it was dropped. While Sora is going away, I don't think generative video is going away. What is emerging now are multimodal LLMs that can operate equally well in either text or diffusion modes. I'm not exactly sure how they're going to do that, but it will probably help in doing things like rendering text correctly within images, or if you wanted to put an image within a QR code or something like that. The multimodal is probably the way to go. So is there an AI tech bubble? Of course there is. But I don't see this as being one of the first dominoes to fall. What I see this as being a demonstrative technology who had resources that could be better used elsewhere, and this technology also needed to morph into the more functional multimodal LLMs that are coming. But largely, Sora, in its current form, was a solution looking for a problem, just like much of AI today. If you like that, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and who knows, maybe buy a book. Talk to you guys later.